Hey, the average Joe here. Hey, if you've heard of Caleffi, they've got a lot of great products out there in the industry. They also have some hydronic booklets would have some unbelievable colored pictures. This particular diagram right here is from figure 10.7 in their hydronics fundamentals. Let me just show you that here quickly. Uh, so here's a boiler with an expansion tank, a three-way valve, water makeup, a loadout here with a pump. And if I scroll down here, you'll see lots of nice, pretty pictures. Uh, the thing about these is they're not intelligent, they're not smart. It's not sizing piping or equipment or valves or pumps. And that's the beauty of HVAC solution. We can take and look at their pictures and model them in a dynamic way with intelligent pieces and parts, right? So here I've got some loads in the system, domestic and indirect water heater with imposed load. You'll see temperatures coming in here, 170, 40. Temperatures are mixing in the pipe. Here's this pump path loop of that project, that pump right there, right? Uh, the boiler here, we have water makeup coming in to the pipe between the expansion tank and the air separator. A little bypass flow. It shows the amount of flow plus the temperature that's bypassing to maintain the temperatures out here in the system. So very easily drawn, drag and drop, then hooked up in the HVAC solution. And then we see the load of the boiler there, 460,000 BTUs. That load is down in imposed load with the associated deration factor to increase the capacity of that, right? For efficiency plus the duration of the elevation of this project. And then the gas meter and the sizing of the gas piping. So very easy to model any of their hundreds of the Caleffi nice, beautiful hydronic projects here using HVAC solution. Now I know pipe sizes. Like I mentioned, I can drag a box across, right click with my mouse, look at different data right on the temperatures of all the pipes coming out from the system. Anyway, hope this has been helpful on the three-way valve. Just to mention there, I've got that three-way valve in here, and you can size that in different ways. And then on this pipe here, I've set the flow from the bottom to the top, so I know I want to mix that flow back in the system. Once again, you can click on a pump and look at all the summary of the head, major things in the system, okay, minor things in the system, and then the piping lengths that are put in. So back to that major thing, if my boiler, once I did a selection on that, my selection I want to show you is actually 6.1. So I don't want 20 feet sized on that because that Camus product, when I made a selection, okay, was 6.1. If we go in and look at that closer on that boiler, there was 0.6 unused capacity. This has got 14.8. If I look at that a little bit closer, there's my length, width, and height and dimensions, electrical information, all that. Now I've got schedules created, electrical information, and once again, there's the head of that, looking at the flow through that boiler and that type of boiler it is, and what the head was, so I know 10 is going to be perfect. Never should have any pump size wrong when you can see it all here in the summary of HVAC solution. Hey, thanks for watching.